Hi! Today I want to show you some basic jazz voicings and how to practice them in a simple way. We'll use a 2-5-1 progression, first to understand the shapes and later in a real tune. The voicings are 3rd and 7th, 3rd, 7th and 9th, 3rd, 5th, 7th and 9th. We'll go step by step from very simple playing to using them in a standard. In the first exercise, I simply show each voicing on 2-5-1 progression. Left hand plays only roots, right hand plays the voicing. First 3rd and 7th, then add the 9th, and then add the 5th as well. Now we practice one voicing through the whole 2-5-1 progression in different keys. I show it using only the 3rd and 7th, left hand still plays roots. This is a most important voicing in jazz. If this works well, everything else becomes easier. Now we make it more musical. Instead of only roots in the left hand, I play a simple groove pattern. The harmony is still 2-5-1, but now it sounds more like real music. Here I use a 3rd, 7th, 9th voicing. Here we use a really standard, Days of Wine and Roses. Left hand plays roots. Right hand plays the full voicing, 3rd, 5th, 7th and 9th. Now we follow the harmony of the song. All examples are written down in the free PDF, link below. Practice them slowly, try different keys and create your own groove. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy your practice and let me know in the comments how it goes.